Whether it's on-the-go diaper changes or a quick cleanup after a snack at the park, the on-the-go wipes dispenser with Diaper Pouch is perfect to keep supplies close at hand when you're on the move. This 2-in-1 case features a hard dispenser for wipes and a fabric pouch for up to 5 diapers, keeping diapers and wipes separate, organized, and clean. The dispenser is easy to load, and a simple one-handed push of the large button reveals a large opening for easy access to wipes and easily dispenses 1 wipe at a time. The diaper pouch features easy open Velcro and is easily accessible while in the hanging position. The handy silicone tether means that you can secure it to your stroller or diaper bag handles, and the slim shape easily tucks into bags, purses, and stroller pockets. Here's a good tip. The diaper pouch can also be used for carrying diaper cream, keys, and other items.